Are you struggling to increase your e-commerce store sales? Do you want to improve your customer experience and boost sales organically? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we will show you how to boost your e-commerce store sales organically using AI. Step 1. Analyze your data. Use AI to analyze your website traffic, customer behavior, and sales data to gain insights into what products are popular and what pages are performing well. Step 2. Personalize your customer experience. Use AI to create targeted marketing campaigns, recommend products to customers, and offer personalized discounts to increase customer loyalty and boost sales. Step 3. Optimize your store. Use AI to improve your website's load time, optimize your product pages, and improve your checkout process to improve the customer experience and increase sales. Step 4. Use chatbots. Use AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support, answer customer questions, and offer personalized recommendations to improve the customer experience and increase sales. Step 5. Implement predictive analytics. Use AI to forecast future sales, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your store for better performance and increase sales. In conclusion, using AI to boost your e-commerce store sales is a smart and effective strategy. By analyzing your data, personalizing your customer experience, optimizing your store, using chatbots, and implementing predictive analytics, you can improve the customer experience and increase sales. Start using AI to take your e-commerce store to the next level.